This is not a lizard. It may look like a lizard. This is more of a lizard. This is more of a lizard. This is a tuatara. It was 1867 when scientists first realized that these weren't lizards. They had unique traits more similar to other reptiles like crocodiles, birds, and turtles. And yes, birds are reptiles. We're going to get into a lot of cool stuff here. I was taking notes today. So here are the reptiles. Birds are over here with the other dinosaurs. We've got turtles over here that branched off. We've got crocodiles. Crocodiles and birds, they are actually archosaurs. Over here we have snakes and lizards. And snakes, actually, they evolved from a group of lizards. Here's a source for that, and that does mean technically snakes are lizards. And it's the same reasoning that birds are still dinosaurs, therefore they are also reptiles. Now over here, this is the tuatara. The tuatara, there's only one species left today. They were once one of the more common groups of small reptiles, and they diverged from the others around, well, we'll say at least 200 million years ago. Which is why this is not a lizard, even though it looks a lot like a lizard, and snakes technically are lizards. Something cool I learned while researching for this video is that the tuatara, they were extremely common in the early Mesozoic, but by the Cretaceous, they were going extinct. They seem to be being outcompeted by mammals and lizards. The asteroid seems to be the final blow for the majority. Aside from that, we just have the kind of lineage persisting on New Zealand, which leads to the lineage we still have today. But there's also one find of a group that survived the KPG, that asteroid. And they're actually smaller than the group that is found in the same area that was alive before that asteroid. So this group, they were alive not quite up to around, I don't know, around 55 million years ago is when that evidence suggests they were around. Aside from them, it's just our lineage today that persisted on New Zealand that we know of. I'm going to try to make a video, possibly tonight, about this family tree too, which is all the different human species and interbreeding and just, I don't know, interesting stuff.